Hi everyone, I will show you how to turn off last active on Instagram. Open your Instagram app, go to the profile, tap to the three lines in the top right, go to the setting and privacy, scroll down, tap message and story replies, tap show activity status, tap the icon. Now show activity is off. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.